celebrating Unity Day and Red Ribbon Week here in Marathon. That's why I got a free shirt, which is very nice to always get a free shirt. We've got Mark St. Martin from the City Council here going to do a proclamation. We have the color guard from the school is going to carry the colors, and we'll have a bunch of our students out here celebrating Red Ribbon Week. And it's a beautiful day here, and we're going to make it a beautiful week and hopefully a beautiful year. But thank you all for watching us and keeping an eye on us, and we hope everything has a great outcome for all.